What's up, y'all? It's your girl JehnieMariee, and I am back with another video for you guys. So today, as you can tell by the title, I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, I don't even know. I don't know what I'm gonna title this video. But yeah. Hey y'all. So it's red. So I just left my appointment at the chiropractor. Yeah, I didn't do a formal intro, but welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny, but you could call me Jenny. But yeah, my channel, it's about me living my best life. Let me stop playing. Anyways, y'all, I just left the chiropractor. I'm on the way to the bookstore. For those of you who don't know, I go to Georgia State University. Big Panthers, don't play with us. Period. But yeah, we better go to the bookstore because they said they got some new spring attire, and I want to see what new attire they have. And then after that, we're gonna go to the car dealership because also, for those of you who don't know, actually none of y'all know, I got into a car accident on March 1st, so I no longer have a car. It wasn't my fault, so don't be in them comments saying, oh, you can't drive and all of that. It's completely not my fault. I ain't getting no ticket or nothing, so don't be trying to come for me. But yeah, I have to look for a new car. Of course, I'm not paying for it. They're paying for it.
These potholes in Georgia, Jesus.
Y'all heard that?
These some random
Sound like
roads.
we just hit somebody.
Okay. Oh.
But yeah, y'all.
All this money they want to charge for everything, rent, gas, cars, housing, food, taxes. How about we fix these darn roads?
Y'all, she just got her hair done. She got it cut yesterday. So she just been talking about everything and everybody.
Yes, girl, I'm feeling myself. Y'all see all these curls? Don't get these curls twisted.
Oh my gosh. But yeah, y'all. So what else? After that, yeah, we going to the car dealership because I need a new car. I'm not going to buy one today. I'm just going to look to like see what exactly. I know what I want. I know exactly what I want. But I just wanted to see like what I want to add on because they told me I could build my own car. So if I could build my own car, I'm gonna build my own car. But yeah, y'all, this is so normal in Atlanta. Like, no. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get into the bookstore because I'm hot and yeah, they had me on the heater pad, the chiropractor, and now my back's sweating. Well, it was sweating, but you know how you can still feel the aftermath. Yeah. But anyways, I think I'm gonna get my nails done today too. I don't know, but I know I'm getting my hair done today at 3:15. I ain't got it done in like a month. But anyways, yeah. I'll see y'all when I get there. Y'all, look at this. That's the library over there. And then this is the bookstore down here. But this is Cinefest. Oh yeah, this is it. We here, y'all. They got Steak and Shake here. Boom. They got mom and dad shirts. They got a 3XL for the mom though.
Right? How weird could that be?
I know I stay busy, but you're always on my mind. Sometimes I regret, but I've got to do this thing. Thank God there's a way.
Y'all, we just went on a trail walk and my head looking a mess, but I'm about to get it done anyway. And my camera got so much pollen on it. What's up, y'all? So I just made it to my hair appointment with my girl. Y'all can't even see her for real. But yeah, so we're gonna do something with this.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does me like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, y'all, so I just got home. This is my hair. It is so cute. Ah, it's so cute. Let me take some pictures. But yeah, so y'all, I'm about to take a bath. It's so zoomed in, I didn't even realize. I'm about to take a bath. And then probably watch some movies or something. I don't know. I ate dinner at my parents' house. So yeah, I feel so cute. Might go to the gym. Matter of fact, we going to the gym. That's what we doing. I'm gonna go to the gym because my parents keep telling me I need to work on my stomach, and I know I do because this is getting out of hand right here. I don't like this. And my mom said this is a love handle, something like that. I don't know. I don't like it. So I'm gonna work on it. But yeah, after y'all, this don't make no sense, but I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm going to the gym. Like, or should I just get dressed and go to the gym and then take a shower when I come back? I don't know. I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna go to the gym. I have to use the restroom and then I'll be ready. Probably tie my hair up. I just got my hair done. I'm about to sweat it out. Well, I ain't gonna sweat. I'm gonna just do a little bit of exercising. I'm gonna just walk. Yeah, I'm gonna walk for a while. Maybe try to do something. I don't know. But I ain't trying to sweat, so yeah. But y'all, look at this wax warmer that my stepdad gave me. Cause period, he always giving me something. And then the wax, ooh, the wax that I use. This is $3.50. Juniper and spruce. I'm about to put another one in there. Hold on. Can y'all see it? Oh, okay. It melts so fast. It be sizzling. Is this one gonna sizzle? No. Oh, it's melting fast. Okay. Oh shit. I got it in my nail. Anyways, y'all, I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. Are y'all proud of me? Yes, say you're proud of me. I get my nails done tomorrow though, because I haven't gotten them done in a while. But yeah, this wax smells so good. It smells so good. But yeah, I'm about to use the restroom and then about to change, and then we're gonna be on our way to the gym. So Okay, y'all, so it's the next morning. It's Friday. So, yeah. Last night, I did go to the gym. I didn't vlog it, but let me tell y'all this. When I went to the gym, remember I got the little issue with my back lately because of the car accident. So, I got on the treadmill and I was walking for a while. I did like 10 minutes on the treadmill. And then I did 10 minutes on the, y'all know the leg thingy? How you be like, like that. The leg thingy. I got on that. And then, I pretty much, I did the leg thingy first. Then I did the treadmill. Then I did the leg thingy again. I did like 10, 10, 10. And then I left because there was a lot of people in the gym. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get into working out. It's not like, I don't know, it's not really been my thing because I don't know how to do it. I have no self-discipline, and that's a major problem, especially in this industry that I'm trying to elevate in. I just need to have a better what's that thing called? I need more consistency. I need dedication. I need to work on myself. That's all it sounds like. So that's basically what it is. But yeah, we about to clean my closet up a little bit because it's a mess. My room's a mess. Everything's a mess. Like,
working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Heard you got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on a weekend like usual.
okay, y'all. So I got to show y'all my package. So, for those of y'all that don't know, my friend Saria is closing her business. So I went on there and I ordered some stuff because I felt like supporting. Because, why not? So I got this cute purse from her. Ain't it cute? I want to get it. Oh, it comes with a chain. You know that. I love this purse. I can't wait to wear it when I go out the country. So yeah, I got this purse. I got this Chanel headband. And I got an Aries anklet. Or was it a bracelet? I don't know. And it says, thank you for shopping with us. Use code GIRLS for 10% off. But she's going to close her business. So y'all go shop because why not? Help her get rid of all that stuff she got because yeah, I think she's going on to better business endeavors. That's why she's closing. So yeah, I just showed her that so I can get rid of this. But yeah, I can't wait to wear this. I'm gonna wear these together and wear my headband. I don't know. I'm gonna wear it though. So yeah, and then I have this package. It's blue. Thank you for your order. It's basically what's it called? What's this thing called? It's a it's for my business photo shoot. I don't really want to show y'all everything, but it's a balloon though. Know that. So yeah. I'm gonna put that back in there. And the last package some hair. I think it's fashion case. 14-inch 1B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3. Excuse me. 10 packs of hair. And then some little charms and then a crochet thing. So I don't know what I'm gonna do that hair still, but I'm doing it still. But yeah. What else I got to do today? We're getting our nails done today. Yay! So yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna get our nails done. And tomorrow I'm supposed to be going to Myrtle Beach, so I can't wait to show y'all and vlog. But yeah, so we finna go ahead and finish cleaning up, and then I'll just show y'all the final product. Okay, y'all, so I completely lost track of time. I took a nap. It's about to be 7 o'clock now. I'm still gonna go get my nails done. I gotta wait on my mom. I'm gonna go get my nails done because I'm getting sick of this damn red. Yeah. But I'm gonna go to the rooftop and we're gonna take pictures because I gotta take pictures. Yeah. It's the start of spring, so I kinda gotta have pictures. So we just got back. Well, I just got back. Let me take some pictures right here. I'm trying to hurry up. My mom's 5 minutes away. Okay, y'all, so I'm filming on my phone. Y'all can see it because the quality, but I went to my mom's house I got her car sheet. Let me drop her car. But what was I gonna say? Okay, so I had to buy some stuff, so I just came from Ross. So I'm actually about to I was supposed to get my nails done, but turns out I can't get my nails done because the nail salon had closed super early. So I just gotta go another day when I get back from my trip. But anyways, that's the end of this vlog, y'all. It's been like 2-3 days. But yeah, that is the end of this vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below more videos that you want to see, and also subscribe to my channel because road to, I want to know, I think I'm gonna say 15K first. Our next goal is 15K. So yeah, but as always, I will see y'all in my next video, and thank you for watching.